Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video we will create this kind of earrings. Let's start. First of all, take this kind of stud, glue, and put the glue inside our stud. Then take seed beads and just put them inside our stud. Our top part is ready. We will let it dry. In the meantime, we will create crystal bead and our cap. For it, take thread around 60 centimeters and we start. We take 4 seed beads and 4 crystals. As always, all necessary materials you will find in description below this video. Leave a tail and go around our materials one more time. Make a knot. Pass with the needle to the next seed bead and pull to hide our knot. Then we take 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, and we enter to the next seed bead. Again, crystal, seed bead, crystal, and to the seed bead. And last one. We enter to the seed bead here. Then into the crystal and into the seed bead. We repeat the same one more time. Crystal, seed bead, crystal, into the seed bead. And last one here, again into the seed bead, and then go around our last round couple of times, as this will be our flower cap. We need to make it a bit more secure and hard. Now I will pass with my thread and needle till my tail. I will make a knot from these 2 threads. I will secure them and I will cut them. Our flower cap is ready. Now we will create our crystal bead. It will be the same technique, but we will need to add 1 more row. For it as well, take around 60 centimeters of the thread, 4 seed beads and 4 crystals. we repeat all our steps the same as we had in the flower cap. We finished our row. As you can see, till now we did all the same as in our flower cap, but this time we will add one more row and it will contain only one crystal. With one crystal we enter to the seed bead here. Again, one crystal into the seed bead. And the last one here. Now go around our last row a couple of times. Now I will pass with my thread to the beginning where is my tail. And I will make a knot. I will pass through my bead one more time. I will secure my threads and cut it. Now we will finish our bead. For it, I will take one seed bead, crystal, I will enter to the hole here, and the same from the top. One crystal and one seed bead. Bend our eye pin, leave it around 1 centimeter, and make a loop. Now we will start to create our coral tassel. For it, take a pin. This is eye pin. Take a quite long thread, but most probably during our work you will need to add more thread. Enter to the eye pin and make a knot. Take a super glue and put a small drop on our threads. Our strand will contain 25 blue seed beads and then 3 clear seed beads in the end of the strand. Now we skip our 3 clear seed beads. We go up 9 seed beads of blue color. take 5 blue seed beads and 3 clear color seed beads. I have here size 10 and size 13. Then we as well leave 3 seed beads of clear color. We enter to all 5 and to 5 of our main strand. And we repeat again, 5 blue seed beads and 3 clear. And we go all the way up. Now we will make a knot inside our pin, inside our eye pin, this way, to secure our first strand. We will need in total the same 10 strands. Again 25 blue seed beads, three clear seed beads, skip 3 clear seed beads and go up 9 blue seed beads. Then we add 5 blue seed beads and 3 clear. Skip 3 clear, go inside 5 and 5 up. One more, 5 blue, 3 clear, skip 3 and enter to 5 and all the way up. Again make a knot here. And we continue the same till we will have 10 strands ready. My 10 strands is ready. Now I will again make a knot here. Then I will take my tail and I will make a knot from these 2 threads. I will take my super glue again and put a small drop on my threads and will cut my threads. Now we need to take our cap, what we created before, and enter with our eye pin. Then we add blue crystal here, and we will need to make a globe from our eye pin. Leave a small hole here, attach our bead, what we created before, close our pin, then open pin from the top part and attach it to our stud. Be very gentle here. And close. Our earrings are ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions, suggestions to my channel, or you just want to say hi. I will be very happy to see your comments. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye!